All right, guys, and welcome back to today's video. So on today's video, guys, we are going to be talking about another DePIN project which launched not too long ago. So right now I need you to join this airdrop because you are going to be among the early participants. All right, so guys, this airdrop that we are talking about right here is actually called MyGate. All right, so and they are being backed by, you can see, Countable. They are also being backed by Hostinger and also Multi-Coin Capital, and finally they are being backed by Solana Foundation right here, guys. So this is very easy and way too simple, and just like I already said, it is a DePIN project, guys. So right now let's go straight into how we can be able to participate on this airdrop and stand a better position of getting to get even a very bigger allocation, and in turn finally get a huge massive airdrop from the MyGate project. Okay, so right now the first thing that I actually need to take you guys is to the X handle right here, guys. This is where they actually made a lot of their posts, and they are being backed by Solana, and also they are being recognized by Mrs. Browser because it is part of their partners, and a lot of things actually follows up right here, guys. So guys, right now let's go straight into the business of the day of how we can be able to participate on their airdrop, how we can set up our account, and of course take a very good position so that you can earn something really interesting, guys. So the first thing I need you to do is that I need you to go right now to your to your Play Store and download Mrs. Browser, because Mrs. Browser is what we normally use to participate in all this DePIN project, because Mrs. Browser actually allows us to add any extension we want and easily access it automatically, guys. So right now, if you have downloaded your Mrs. Browser, right now go to the video description of this video to get the link to this airdrop. I'm going to be dropping it on the video description, guys. But before I will go ahead and show you guys all the tutorials involved, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done that yet. It means the whole world to us right now. We are around our 10,000 subscribers right here. We are currently around 7.9 thousand subscribers, so make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It literally means the whole world to me. And also I want to be introducing you to our ton giveaway that we run right here, guys, on this channel. So you want to be part of it, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video you are watching right now, and make sure that you comment on the comment section, because from the comment section is where we of course choose our winner. So right now, guys, let's go straight into the business of the day. So this is my Mrs. Browser right here, and over here this is where we are going to be setting up our own account. So once you have copied the link from the comment section, then you come right here, guys, on the search bar or right here on your Mrs. Browser. You go ahead and paste the link right there, then you go ahead and search for it. So this is going to be opening up the website for you, and over here you need to actually create your own account, because that is the first thing that you actually need to do. So right now, to be able to create an account, you need to sign in using your Google account. So it is very easy and way too simple. So we click on this right now. So this is going to be loading up, and it's going to be asking us to select the Google account we want to use. Obviously I'm going to be using this one, and right now I have to click on continue. Then I'm going to be proceeding to the next step. The whole thing is way too easy and way too simple, guys. Just make sure you watch this video to the end and do not skip any part of it. All right, so right now we go ahead and click on continue like this. So this is going to be accessing into their website right now after the verification is done. So right now, guys, you can see we have now gained access into their website, and this is how it looks like, guys. So right now we are now getting our welcome message, and you can see we need to start our DePIN experience today. So right now, guys, you need to actually go ahead and click on download from here. So once you click on download, this is going to be asking you to add to the MyGate network node to your extension, because we are here to run their node and of course get points that can later be converted to the airdrop, right? So right now you go ahead and click on add to Chrome like this. So this is gonna be loading up real quick. You click on OK, and this is gonna be automatically be added into part of your extension. So right now it has been added. When you click right, guys, on this extension button right here, you can see that this is the this is what we just add right now. Let me find it right here. Okay, so you can see it right here, MyGate. This is it right here. So what you need to do is simply click on it. Okay, sorry, my bad. So you click on it like this, MyGate, you click on it. So this is going to be opening up right now. You need to log in. So when you click on login right now, so it's going to be asking you to actually select the account that you want to log into actually by just following the initial process that we already follow. So you click on sign in as Kinsley, because that was the email that I used to sign in on the previous account that I just created before I then went ahead to download the extension into my browser. So right now it's going to be loading up pretty quick, and right now we are going to be getting access right now, where we are going to be running the node. So right now guys, you can see right now, this is it right now, very easy and very simple. We are now taking back right here. So from here right now, let me show you guys around this website so that you can be able to understand it before we go ahead and go to the main point right here. So when we look over here guys, we are now having everything in 0, and right now guys, I'm still in level 1. When I scroll down, you can see I have 0, I have nothing right here because I just created this account right now. So what we need to do right here is very easy. So the first thing you need to do is simply go ahead and follow them on their X account and also join their Telegram. But when you click right here guys on this share button right here, let me show you guys something really quick. Okay, so over here guys on the share button, they are gonna be asking you to add a node, but do not click on it because you have already added their node. That was when you add their extension to your browser. So when you click over here guys on this badge icon, you can see this is where you of course see some simple tasks that you actually need to complete right here. Okay, you need to complete all these tasks right here in order for you to actually earn more points that's going to be earning you more reward in the future. So make sure you complete all these tasks right here, and of course position very well for what is coming. I believe by now you must have known how to complete all the tasks because all of them are way too easy. So right now we go to the next button, which is this one right here. So over here guys, this is where you of course get your referral code, and of course when you look over here right now, this is where you of course paste your invite code. That is the code that will be given to you later when I'll be giving you the referral link to this Airdrop. So once you just paste the code right here, you click on send, and you are going to be getting some points from it. Okay, so right now you go to the next one, which is scrolling down, and you can see some things that you can actually do right here to earn even more a bigger reward. So right now let's go to the main point of the whole story. Okay, you can see right now that our node is now connected. You can see it right here guys. So the whole thing is very simple. So when you click over here guys on this extension again, you come back to this MyGate node. It's going to give you the same task to complete, but do not get bothered about it. It has started running already. You don't need to worry about it. So what you need to do right now, simply get back to the website, copy your referral link, share it to anybody you want to invite into this project, your family and your friends and your relative, anybody that you wish to invite into this project. When you click over here guys on manage, you can see that we are now connected and it is saying good right here. That means that our connection is very good guys. So it is very simple, and guys, pass like this. So make sure you join into this DePIN project and do not miss out on it guys. So if you find any difficulty, let me know on the comment section and I'll be there to help you resolve it as quickly as possible. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.